so cool. A plow?
See? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Plow. Guess what the plow also does? It lights up.
It's very cool.
Mm.
That's the after. Let's go to the beginning of my son playing with these Cubelets Robot Blocks by Modular Robotics. This incredible STEM toy was sent to me for review, and I'm ready to get into it. This is a STEM toy designed to teach kids the basics of robotics and coding through hands-on play. Some blocks sense, some act, and others think. For example, in the Discovery set that we have, there's one battery pack and it powers everything. You need one to automate anything else. Another one is a drive block that makes the robot move, and yet another one has a distance sensor so it can see objects in front of it.
This one has the wheels. There's rolling ones. Oh, I see it.
Having come from a STEM field myself, something I find really cool about the Cubelets Robot Blocks is that there's no coding, screen, or app required. Here my son is learning cause and effect simply by snapping the blocks together. It's completely hands-on, which is perfect for younger kids who are just getting into these STEM concepts. I think it is so cool to see the excitement on my son's face because he's just built a robot that moves forward with the power of his hand. Possibilities are endless here, and the opportunity for free play is great. Kids can explore and problem solve on their own, or they can refer to the booklet that comes with this. It has all kinds of great ideas, instructions, and everything you need to get going. The blocks are sturdy and connect easily so kids don't get frustrated, and they're modular, so you can add more cubelets over time and expand their options as they get older and more curious. As a parent, it is really rewarding to see them light up as they discover new behaviors and understand how each block works. It's also a great tool for encouraging logical thinking and creativity in a way that feels like pure playtime. You can see on my son's face and hear it in his voice, cubelets are a lot of fun and a really great choice.
Let's go test it out in a different room.
Awesome!